Hello everyone! Today I will do an unboxing. I just received this today from Vendula London and I just opened it. I haven't unboxed anything or unpacked anything. I'm always excited. It always feels like Christmas. I love to get new items from Vendula London. These two were released this year. One is the new piggy bank range, which was released this autumn-winter 2022, and also one of the pink ribbon pouch, which was for the pink foundation, breast cancer foundation. And so I'm glad I was able to get two pouches in this order. So I'm really excited to just unbox them and see them for the first time in person along with you. So let's see what we have. As usual, the beautiful Vendula box with this pretty pink paper for the wrapping. And then we have our sleeve with the order inside of it. I always love this sleeve. Feels like they've changed the it feels more sturdy, like they've changed the material on this sleeve. I like it. It's very nice, very pretty. So let's see our first Vendula pouch. Here it is, and let's see what's in it. They always wrap them very well. Every single Vendula item will always be not only wrapped in plastic to begin with, but also they always come with a dust bag, okay? So any bag you purchase will come in a dust bag. And let's see what we have. This is our first one, and I don't always do pouches, but I already had, ooh, pretty. I already have the white piggy bank as the bigger size bag, so I wanted the smaller piggy bank, which is that nice blue color, and this is brand new. Look how pretty that color is. Oh, I love it. It even has a fake little coin that sticks out of it. It's so pretty. Look at it. It does have some depth. I mean, it has some little feet. It has a little pointy tail right here. It doesn't have the curly tail like the big one. The nostril is like little jams. Look at that. How pretty. Aww. A penny saved is a penny earned. And then right here we have a little protective plastic on a metal Vendula London. It looks like a little plaque, kind of. The ears are very well protected, also with these little plastic tabs right here. And I love these flower tags right here on the zipper. The other piggy bank, the white one, also has those, but these are sewn on. These are sort of pressed into this leather, which is kind of a crisscross, as you can see right here, kind of leather. It is so pretty. I love this print. It's so cute. You have little pigs right here. I like this color. Like I said, I didn't want another full pig because I already have one, and I get so many compliments from it. I'm trying to open it. Open the zipper. The paper's making it stuck. So let's see the inside. Let's take the packaging out. And we will have, as always, the tag that has all the information about Vendula London and the item itself. So there's the little tag, and then on the inside you will have the strap, which is, again, very well packaged. Let's see the lining on the inside. So the lining is, oh, that's cute. It's kind of like, it's this print, pretty much. It's so dark, it's hard to see. But yeah, so it is this print, and then you have one pocket on this side and nothing on the other side. So there's no zip on the other side. So it has one open pocket. But no, it's very pretty. And this will be enough for my wallet and my phone. I measured it before I purchased it so that I could be sure it would fit at least my wallet and my phone, which are the two most essential items I need with me every day. So there we have it. So let's see, let's open this, the strap. I love the way they package everything. It is so well done. It's always very well packaged, very well protected. So let's see, we have golden clasp on this one. It's a thinner strap, which makes sense because with the pouch, I mean, thinner, that would make sense. So it's a beautiful kind of dark navy blue strap. Very nice. And then we have our usual metal clasp with Vendula etched right into it. So there you have it. Vendula etched right here. So there you go. Very nice. Adjustable strap, by the way. So this is our first item, which is the piggy bank. And it's the new one, so it's the blue one. Very, very cute. I like that. I don't know if you're going to stand up. Probably not. Okay, you're going to stay right here. And the second pouch seems to be a little bit bigger. And again, this was the Pink Ribbon Foundation London's Cat and Corgi Pink Bus Pouch. Oh, that's a mouthful. But I waited until now because I wanted to wait until more items had been released to do one order instead of several separate orders. So let's just take the plastic off. The dust bag, as always. I think it's great. I always keep all the dust bags, even though they are displayed on my walls in my house. But let's see this. Oh, look at this pink. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. It's like a more of a darker hot pink. The cover on the wheels are so shiny, like glittery. This is gorgeous. The little Vendula plaque over here, which is metal. It's actually a pink, like a rose metal, which is very pretty. I mean, look at these details. Pink ribbon foundation. There's a little zipper here on the outside, and this is covered. It's the cat mascot icon. So there's actually a zipper right over here. Look at all these little passengers, the little kitties, the little corgis. The driver is a kitty. I'm loving these wheels with that again, that pink shimmer. Has door handles, and why I do like the corgi right back here as well, and there's one reading a newspaper. But these doors open. I did see that on their website, and I was really happy that they added this feature. Let me just take these plastics out. So here we have the doors, and when you open it, it's a little pocketed sleeve with information about the Pink Ribbon Foundation with a QR code. I think that's fantastic. And you can take that little, you can actually take this out. Like I said, it's a little sleeve, so you can take it out and just read more information about it. So very well done, very pretty. So it's kind of like with the piggy bank right here, which has a little space down here, the wheels, very cute. This is printed on, so shiny, so pretty. I do like this tag right here. It's a leathering one to get into the zipper compartment. So let's open it and see what's on the inside. I'm excited. It's my first ever a pink, really, because I'm not a fan of pink, but this is for a good cause, being the Pink Ribbon Foundation. So I thought it was very fitting to get something like this. And so let's see on the inside. Oh, we have a very pretty pink strap with, of course, the tags with the information. And look at this pretty lining. It's like a lighter pink with little hearts. You have one zipper compartment, the Vendula London leather tag, and then on this side you have one open pocket. So very nicely done. I'm really liking this. And let's see the strap. It seems like it's got a little pink, like a golden rose pink chain on this side. So let me just slip this off. And yep, so it's that same hot pink leather, which again is adjustable. And then on the end, compared to the piggy bank, you have a longer chain. At the end of the chain, you do have, or maybe I should flip it on the right side, you do have the Vendula clasp right here. That is very pretty. I like this kind of pink rose gold. It makes it very pretty. It changes from the regular gold. So there you have it. Very pretty pouches, both of them. The Pink Ribbon Foundation bus, pretty much, pouch, and then the new piggy bank pouch. So yeah, so exciting. Every time I get a new Vendula item, it definitely feels like Christmas. I think it feels wonderful. It is wonderful. It's such a blessing, and I cannot wait to see what other releases. I'm looking forward to, I believe there's a Christmas one that might be released tomorrow. So fingers crossed. Thank you so much for watching.